Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you work or study?
Well, I am not student. I am currently working with an private organization.
Okay, who is your favorite celebrity in your country?
I like Mr. Rahat Fateh Ali Khan because he's a pop singer. I like to listen his song and he's asset of our country.
Okay, do you like any foreign celebrity?
Yes, I like some Hollywood actors. I like them because the way of work they entertain us.
Okay, just try to add a little more to your answer. Would you like to become a celebrity in the future?
No, I don't want to be a celebrity in the future because, in my opinion, after being a celebrity, someone's personal space is over, and people and someone's personal space is over, and uh,
Okay, after becoming a celebrity, your private life becomes public. So, therefore, I would never like to be a celebrity. On the other hand, people always discuss the private life of celebrities, and I don't like these type of things. Therefore, I would never like to become a celebrity. These should be ideas. They should be proper content. Then you can express yourself. So, two things: language and knowledge, both. Okay, let's go on. Do you think we should respect famous people's privacy?
obviously we respect famous people privacy because everyone has its own privacy, and everyone has its own privacy. If we don't respect someone's privacy, it may affect their actions or plans.
Okay, so at the moment your answers are short, you are lacking content, and your tone is repetitive. Try to express yourself without repetition and come up with more ideas. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.